Josh at Barkley Sales, and today we're going to talk about the compass boiler.
The NTI compass boiler allows you to choose your own direction. Available in 85,000 BTUs up to 199,000 BTUs. Has a built-in TACO ECM pump, Wi-Fi built-in, primary and secondary piping available, and switchable from left or right hand side, and 96% efficient. Lots of room, super easy to access. We can go through our control pump board here. Allows us to hook our 120 volt directly into it. We have an external domestic hot water pump, an external central heating pump, as well as zone pump 1, zone pump 2. You can use those for zone valves if you have a 120 to 24 volt transformer for the power going into the zone. All the wiring diagrams are inside our manuals. So just like our TRX and our FTVN boilers, very easy to access main control PCB boards with easy access for all of our controls. All of the Molex connectors pop right out and allow for easy wiring, especially if you got some meat hooks, if you know what I'm saying. Built-in TACO ECM pump. This one is actually a combi unit, so it has a flat plate exchanger for the domestic side, allowing you to get up to that 5+ gallons per minute out of this unit. Wi-Fi board is built directly into the unit as well, so that means that we've got our NTI net system ready to go on the internet at any time. All your control apparatus and systems are very easy to install, very easy to connect together. Anytime you touch any button on the unit, it wakes up the controller. We can go to our menu system, directly to our setup wizard. We can allow for our outdoor sensor to be enabled or disabled. We can automatically pick how many zones we want to have here as well. So 1 zone or 2 zones. That allows us to take what type of zone we have as well. So on this one, it allows us to go through high fire, medium fire, or low fire. Let's put zone 1 as an in-floor zone. It allows us to go through and allow our max temperature. Typically in the systems that we were installing, I'd like to go 104 for my install. Minimum temperature, easy to go, so it can modulate between that high temperature and the low temperature for it as well. What we want to do is see we can do a room and outdoor control if we want to have it just room temperature, or a basic on-off control for this one. So let's go room temperature, as we understand that some systems that we install don't have a slab sensor in the floor and they're running just off the temperature in the room itself. Zone 2, we're going to say that's a high temp baseboard. So that's something maybe we added on to a different zone area or something in that situation. So save that one. That temperature, we're going to set that guy up to 179, allows us to go right up to that total 180. Minimum temperature at 104, we're going to have our room temperature go through, easy peasy. It allows us to put our password protection on, so if you don't want the homeowner or a building manager to go through and mess with your settings, you can make sure that the password stays enabled. It allows us to go to our network connection right away, so it automatically prompts you to see if you're going to be able to go to Wi-Fi or not. You're done. The boiler's set up, less than a minute. The NTI compass boiler allows you to choose your own direction. NTI meticulously engineers boilers with a focus on flexibility, convenient accessibility, and optimal efficiency. The NTI compass offers the flexibility of either direct vent or indoor combustion air. Each vent is furnished with a test port for accurate setup and adjustment. Installation allows for combustion air and vent placement in various locations or pressure zones. The NTI Compass control interface incorporates an intuitive setup wizard for easy configuration. All information is presented in clear and straightforward English, with an option to choose from multiple languages. Ideal for replacing cast iron or floor mount condensing boilers, all plumbing connections, central heating, domestic hot water, condensate drain, and gas are independently reversible from side to side. No matter what your piping needs are, we've got you covered.
If you'd like to learn more about the NTI compass boiler or any other boiler in the NTI line, please reach out to your local Barkley sales representative, or we can set you up with a dedicated in-person training or group training session. Products you need from people who care, and proudly Canadian made.